The 18-foot indoor inflatable car cover and storage is a large, durable cover designed to protect your vehicle indoors. It creates a sealed, dust-free environment to shield your car from dirt, moisture, and other potential damage. The inflatable design makes it easy to set up and ensures a snug fit, keeping your car in pristine condition when not in use. Perfect for car enthusiasts looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance while in storage. The Vulcan Leatherette Headrest Safe is a discreet storage solution designed to fit seamlessly into the passenger seat of your car. This black leatherette headrest not only adds a sleek look to your vehicle's interior, but also features a hidden compartment to securely store valuables while on the go. Ideal for keeping items safe and out of sight, it's a perfect blend of style and security for your car. The RAYHOME Scrolling Bright Advertising Light Sign is a versatile and customizable LED display that measures 15x4. It's perfect for businesses, cars, bars, or hotels, allowing you to create custom text, patterns, and animations through a Bluetooth app. Powered by a flexible USB 5V connection, this programmable LED sign is easy to use and an eye-catching way to grab attention and promote your message. The Vive Car Handle Assist for elderly is a portable assistive device designed to provide support and stability for seniors and handicapped individuals when getting in and out of a car. It features a scratch-proof latch and a sturdy grab bar cane, ensuring safety and ease of use. This tool is ideal for enhancing mobility and reducing the risk of falls, making it a practical aid for anyone needing extra support while entering or exiting a vehicle. The HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid is a set of 2 mini trash cans designed to keep your car, home, or office organized and clean. These leak-proof garbage cans come with 30 attached trash bags, making them convenient for daily use. The compact design allows them to fit perfectly in various spaces, while the lid ensures that any unpleasant odors stay contained. Whether you're on the road or at your desk, these versatile organizers are essential for maintaining a tidy environment. The Universal Car Window Shades are a set of 2 breathable mesh sunshades designed to protect your car's rear windows. Measuring 39x19 each, these shades are perfect for shielding your passengers, especially babies, from harmful UV rays and excessive heat. The easy-to-install design fits most car windows, providing a comfortable and safe environment during your travels. Keep your car cool and your loved ones protected with these essential sunshades. The WiperTags Luchador Wrestling Cover and Decal adds a fun twist to your vehicle's rear wiper. Featuring a colorful luchador wrestler design, this cover and decal set transforms your wiper into a lively character that moves as the wiper operates. It's easy to install and remove, allowing you to showcase your personality and bring a smile to those driving behind you. Perfect for wrestling fans or anyone who enjoys unique car accessories. The Upgrade Car Sealing Cargo Net Pocket is a practical solution for maximizing your vehicle's interior space. Measuring 31.5 x 21.6, this double-layer mesh storage organizer easily attaches to your car's ceiling, offering a secure spot to store lightweight items like blankets, jackets, or toys. It's designed to bear more weight and droop less, making it perfect for long road trips, camping, or everyday use in your truck or SUV. Keep your car organized and clutter-free with this convenient accessory. The JOYTUTUS Coin Holder for car is a high-capacity, universal coin organizer designed to fit most car and truck cup holders. It helps you sort and store pennies, quarters, dimes, and nickels, keeping your spare change neatly organized and easily accessible. The compact design ensures it doesn't take up much space, making it a practical accessory for maintaining a tidy and efficient vehicle interior. Ideal for anyone who wants to keep their loose change from cluttering up their car. The little glass flower vase clip with retro C wooden stand is a charming and stylish accessory designed for your car's air vent. This decorative plant holder features a small glass vase attached to a retro wooden stand, allowing you to add a touch of nature to your vehicle's interior. Perfect for displaying tiny flowers or succulents. It brings a personal and elegant touch to your car dashboard, enhancing your driving experience with a bit of floral beauty. The PumpPal Reusable Fueling Glove is designed to keep your hands clean while fueling up. This handy glove fits easily over your hand and attaches securely inside your gas tank with magnets. Its universal size and one-hand slip-on design make it incredibly convenient to use. Perfect for protecting your hands from dirty gas pump handles and keypads, this glove ensures a more hygienic and comfortable refueling experience. The THD Car Door Step is a versatile tool designed for easy access to your vehicle's roof. This compact and foldable step attaches securely to your car door latch, making it simple to reach the roof or roof rack without straining. Ideal for overlanding, camping, or everyday use, it fits all kinds of vehicles and trucks, offering convenience and safety for loading gear or accessing your car's roof. The CooCoCo Cooling Car Seat cover is a ventilated cushion designed to keep you cool and comfortable during drives. Suitable for cars, SUVs, and trucks, this universal fit seat cover provides a refreshing cooling effect, making it an excellent choice for long trips or hot weather. It's a thoughtful gift for drivers, helping to reduce sweat and enhance driving comfort. The Dent Puller Kit is a versatile 3-pack set designed for removing dents from your car's body. It includes a handle lifter and suction cup tools, ideal for both small and larger dents. This paintless dent repair kit is easy to use and helps restore your car's appearance without damaging the paint. The Senllen Car Tent is a fully automatic 189-inch sunshade designed to protect your vehicle from the hot summer sun. This large, windproof carport canopy features wireless control and a removable charger for easy setup and operation. Perfect for SUVs, minivans, and trucks, it provides excellent anti-UV protection and keeps your vehicle cool.